Hi guys, my name's Liam, this is my wife Georgia, and we are packing for places. And in this week's vlog, we show you the best things to do when visiting San Francisco.
From the famous movie houses to watching our first baseball game, plus riding the iconic wooden trams and showing you the best donut shop in town.
So guys, if you're new around here, we've quit our jobs, sold our house, and we've been travelling the world for 9 months. We've been pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone, throwing ourselves into some crazy experiences such as climbing volcanoes, wild camping in Botswana, and biking through Southeast Asia. So buckle up and join us for the ride as this series we take on California. If you like what we're doing, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we hope you enjoy.
So we're just outside the Mrs. Doubtfire house. As we started walking up, like loads of people started coming over, we're taking pictures. And someone actually does live in this house. Are you excited to see it?
Incredible.
Jess as well, my sister-in-law,
I've just sent them a picture.
is really excited about it, but there it is, Mrs. Doubtfire's house. So guys, we are at the San Francisco Giants Stadium and we've got ourselves some tickets to watch the baseball tonight. I am excited. When I was a kid, I come here, I didn't actually get to watch a game, but I remember getting like a glove and stuff, and now 25 years later, 20 years later, I'm back. So you're excited for this. You wasn't, but you are now, aren't you?
No, I've always liked baseball, rounders, you know. I think it's fun to watch,
So we got her a little bit early, so we're going to go in the store. Georgia obviously wants a jersey. I'm going to try and get some good footage, and hour until the first pitch.
I know, but the game's meant to be like 5 hours long.
It's going to take ages.
It's going to be here all night.
But I'm just going to get drunk, so I don't mind.
Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can I do that? Got my needs. Supposed to go and kill the sound. Someone always let us down. I can tell that you're a dancer. Throwing your hands in the air that you answer. When I ask you if you want your pen.
So we just come into the merch shop. Oh, I got so much nice stuff in here, but Georgia has. Got so much other nice stuff here, but we're gonna have a good look round. But I think we're definitely gonna get you that. We're gonna get Georgia that. She looks good. Well, I really want a finger, but Georgia won't let me have one. Everyone's got to have a finger. Not just sports sport.
You just use it to poke me and annoy me.
Always let us down. Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can I be I got my needs.
And we're in. Oh, the walk up the steps just reminds me of going to football. I can't actually wait to see the pitch. I'm very excited.
Hey, my kicks come on down the dozen. Hey, blah, blah, then you walk away. And I turn to the pipe to forget your name. Like Lenny, I imagine that you like me. Like many, I don't know who I'm.
What an incredible stadium. I just had to pay $13 for a pint, but wow, incredible.
Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can I do that? Got my needs. Supposed to go and kill the sound. Someone always let us down.
Just got to our seats. Alright, aren't they?
Yeah, they're good.
I think the really, really good seats are like right over the other end, so as the ball's getting hit, you could possibly catch it. I think they're the real good ones, but these were still quite expensive, so I'm just gonna have a few beers and watch the game.
I mean, no things that you don't do. I won't put a foot on the floor unless I am sure. You just jump head first, hope for an encore. Look, girl. I can play for the next return. I can feel it in my bones.
We're starting to learn it.
Well, you are.
I'm lucky I got a gentleman behind me who's helping me out with the rules. He was like, I can tell you as English. This has got to be the last beer. That's 4 beers, and it's cost me £50 for 4 beers. I can't afford to carry on.
Hey, my kicks come on down the dozen. Hey, blah, blah, then you walk away. And I turn to the pipe to forget your name. Like Lenny,
So babe, we're done.
We lost. Well, we don't know.
Well, we don't know. There was one more innings left, but
We've been here over 3 hours.
well, no, we've actually been here about 4 hours.
Yeah, we came early.
Definitely recommend doing
There's
it.
like so many cool things, like they do songs and the kiss cam and like t-shirt, like And it's just fun, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
family fun.
So good, loved it. So if you know me and Georgia, got a massive sweet tooth, and you can't come to San Francisco without coming to Bob's Donuts, world famous donuts. I think I'm gonna have to get a couple. Thank you very much. Have a look what we've got.
Oh my god. I don't even have that much of a sweet tooth, but it's just coming to America.
Oh, I do.
I know you do.
Right. So cool riding on this. Like, one of the most iconic things about coming to San Francisco is riding the tram, and this old school tram is just such a cool thing to do. So we've come down to the coast to see Golden Gate Bridge, but as you can see behind me, it's just sort of like a fog of cloud. Like everywhere else is blue, and then over the bridge it's just like a fog. But we've got a few more opportunities. Alcatraz just over there, but Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge, that's what it's about when you come to San Francisco. It never gets boring every time I see it. One thing I am really loving about San Francisco is the public transport. Now, you just get a card on your phone, it's in my Apple Wallet, you top it up, and every time you go on a bus, a train, a tram, you just scan it and bang, you go wherever you want within 90 minutes for $2.50. Clean, tidy, efficient, really impressed. Another good thing about the buses is they're all run on electric, so saving in the environment as well. So we're currently on our way to, where are we going? Oh, the
Lombard Street.
Lombard Street. It is known as the crookedest street in the world. You know that?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Just googled that. But first, you've got to climb the mountain to get there. Can't actually believe how many tourists are here. It's got 8 tight bends, and yeah, it's known as the crookedest street in the world. And yeah, driving down it, it takes you a while, but a beautiful view of San Francisco in the background. Today we're just getting on the bus and going to explore San Francisco. There's so many like churches and real nice buildings and just nice parks. Today we come to, Georgia knows the names.
You know the name?
What is it?
The Palace of Fine Arts.
The Palace of Fine Arts, and it is absolutely stunning. There's a big sort of like lake in the middle, and you can walk around there, and the weather's great, so we're just gonna explore today. Look at this. So guys, that's the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed. I'll leave everything linked in the description down below, all the information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Packing for Places, and we'll see you in the next one.